It's nothing new what we do. We just kind of see things differently. I mean, everybody makes T-shirts, everybody makes hats, everybody makes, there's 1,000 brands out there. In Hawaii, there's a bunch of brands, and it's important for us that everything we put out has a story behind it.
Ano ka pa o ke ia pāoi hana o Hawaii nei ke kahua e hua mai ai na mo ʻOlelo e ike ia ma ko lākou hakulau ana.
It's the way we are, it's the way we live, and what we put out, and our intent is rooted in Hawaii, and it's in all of our decision making every day. But we want everybody to be able to understand it and love it.
A mamuli o ke kaila o ka lole a me ke ano e laha loa e nei ia ano I vaina o ka hanauna o pio o ke ia wā, ua hiki no ke lilo ke ia he ala e pi'i ai ka makakau no ke ano Hawaii ke ia auna.
So if we can transfer that to the kids, anybody who buys our product, who reads our blogs, I mean, we could be talking about music, hip hop, we could be talking about reggae, we could be talking about traditional Hawaiian music or whatever. If one person understands the reason why we did this certain hat, T-shirt, whatever it is, then we've done our job.
Ahu wale no ko ke ole nui hoi hoi no ke ia hakulau streetwear ana a he mea nui ia I ine e ume ia I ka poe I kāna hana.
I love the whole process of learning, designing, putting something out. I mean, there's so much great inspiration in Hawaii. I mean, I don't know why there isn't more of it, chicken skin. And that passion is what I hope customers get from it.
E kipa aku no ia ke ola ma ka helu kahi ha kolu walu ma ke ala nui o kona, ai ole ma ke kohua pā o Fitted Hawaii ki ko se o mu. O wau no ke I o Imi Kalili no Sunrise ma Hawaii News Now. Aloha.